So how can we cut our carbon footprint? To keep your holiday footprint small, take a holiday in the UK. Carbon offsets, often obtained through financial support such as projects that reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
Essentially, if people are getting food from the shelves, for example, a bag of lettuce in a shop, then that's already lost a lot of its nutritional value because it's been there for so long.
Yeah.
And also then, if you're looking at the bigger picture, then that's had to have a lorry transporting that, so that's producing more fumes and carbon into the atmosphere.
Yeah.
So you'd be much better off going locally and getting proper, fresh
Produce.
organically grown.
I mean, everything from this farm is sold within 15 miles of this farm, and 85% of it sold within 5 miles.
Brilliant.
And basically the only fossil fuels we use are petrol for the car that does the deliveries and takes the stuff to market, and obviously what runs the house.